To create a better everyday life for the many people. That's the IKEA vision. But what exactly do we mean by this? How can a home furnishing business help create a better everyday? Well, it all begins right here. We are passionate about life at home. It inspires us in everything we do. So, to learn what people really need and dream about, we go out and visit homes all over the world. We talk with people, we measure things, we open closets and look in cabinets. We focus on the many people, especially those with thin wallets, because we believe good home furnishing is for everybody. All of these conversations give us valuable insights that we use as the starting point for developing our products and home furnishing solutions. We put our heads together and work hard to come up with affordable ideas to make everyday life at home a little better by creating home furnishings that combine good quality, form, function, and sustainability with the lowest possible price. We call this unusual combination democratic design, and it's what we believe makes our products unique.